Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 5 amazing passive income ideas that you can start with just your cell phone and Wi-Fi. That's right, that little device you're likely watching this video on right now can be so much more than just a way to scroll through social media. It can actually be a powerful tool to generate passive income streams and build long-term wealth. We're talking about real opportunities here, not some get-rich-quick scheme. These are legitimate side hustles that, with the right amount of effort and dedication, can supplement your income and help you achieve financial freedom. Let's get right into it. All right, let's kick things off with our first passive income idea, creating and selling digital products. Now, what exactly do I mean by digital products? Well, it could be anything from ebooks and online courses to templates, presets, and even design assets. The beauty of digital products is that once you create them, they can be sold over and over again without any additional effort from your end. Think about it. You create it once, and it has the potential to generate income for months, if not years, to come. Now, you might be thinking, but Graham, what if I'm not an expert in anything? And to that I say, everyone has valuable knowledge to share. Think about your skills and passions. What are you good at? What do people often ask for your help with? It could be anything from photography and graphic design to cooking, fitness, or even personal finance. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to package your knowledge into a digital product. Let's say you're great at creating eye-catching Instagram posts. You could create a bundle of customizable Canva templates that others can use to elevate their own social media game. Or maybe you're a whiz at budgeting and saving money. Consider writing an ebook sharing your best tips and tricks for managing personal finances. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and even your own website are great places to sell these digital treasures. The key here is to create high-quality products that provide real value to your customers. If you focus on solving a problem or fulfilling a need within your chosen niche, you'll be well on your way to building a successful passive income stream. And the best part, you can do it all from your phone or laptop. For this next passive income idea, we're diving into the world of affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing might sound like a fancy term, but it's actually quite simple. Essentially, you partner with a brand or company and promote their products or services to your audience. You then earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Think of it like this. You're getting paid to recommend products or services that you genuinely love and use yourself. It's like getting a little bonus for sharing your favorite finds with your friends and followers. And the best part? You don't need a huge following or a fancy website to get started. With platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and even Pinterest, you can easily incorporate affiliate links into your content and start earning passive income. Let's say you're really into fitness and love trying out new workout gear. You could partner with your favorite activewear brand and share your honest reviews and recommendations with your followers. Include your unique affiliate link in your bio or within your content, and every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. The key to success with affiliate marketing lies in building trust with your audience. Be authentic, transparent, and only promote products or services that you genuinely believe in. Remember, your goal is to provide value to your audience, not just bombard them with salesy pitches. With a little bit of effort and a focus on building genuine connections, affiliate marketing can be a fantastic way to generate passive income from your phone. Chapter 3. Now let's shift gears and talk about a more passive approach to generating income: dividend investing. For those unfamiliar, dividends are essentially a portion of a company's profits that are paid out to its shareholders. Think of it like getting a little thank you payment for owning a piece of that company. Now, while dividend investing might not be as sexy as some of the other side hustles out there, it's a powerful way to build long-term wealth and generate passive income over time. And the best part, you don't need to be a Wall Street guru to get started. With just your phone and a few bucks to spare, you can start investing in dividend-paying stocks or ETFs through user-friendly apps like Robinhood, eToro, or Stash. One of the great things about dividend investing is that it allows you to earn money in 2 ways, through dividend payments and through potential stock price appreciation. So not only are you receiving regular income from your investments, but you also have the opportunity for your initial investment to grow over time. it's a win-win. Now, it's important to note that dividend investing does come with some risk, as with any investment. But by doing your research, diversifying your portfolio, and investing for the long haul, you can minimize risk and set yourself up for financial success. Remember, slow and steady wins the race when it comes to investing. Chapter 4. All right, let's tap into your creative side with this next passive income idea selling stock photos and videos. Now you might be thinking, but Graham, I'm not a professional photographer or videographer, and to that I say you don't have to be. With the incredible cameras on our smartphones these days, anyone can capture stunning visuals that others would be willing to pay for. Think about it. Businesses, bloggers, and even major publications are constantly on the lookout for high-quality images and footage to use in their content, and that's where you come in. By capturing everyday moments, stunning landscapes, or unique perspectives, you can turn your passion for photography and videography into a profitable side hustle. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock make it incredibly easy to upload your work and start earning royalties every time someone licenses your photos or videos. The best part? You can literally do this from anywhere in the world with just your phone and an internet connection. So, next time you're out and about, keep your eyes peeled for interesting shots and unleash your inner artist. You never know, that stunning sunset photo or that quirky video clip of your dog could end up earning you some serious passive income. Chapter 5. And finally, let's wrap things up with a passive income idea that's perfect for all you creative entrepreneurs out there, starting a print-on-demand store. Now, if you're not familiar with print-on-demand, it's basically a business model where you design and sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, and more without having to handle any of the inventory or shipping yourself. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Here's how it works. You create unique designs using user-friendly design tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator, and then upload them to a print-on-demand platform like Printful, Printify, or Teespring. These platforms handle everything from printing, packaging, and shipping your products directly to your customers. Your job is to focus on what you do best, creating awesome designs that people will love. You can tap into your artistic side, create designs around your passions, or even hop on trending topics to maximize your reach. The possibilities are endless. One of the best things about print-on-demand is that it's a low-risk, high-reward business model. You don't have to invest in any upfront inventory, which means you can experiment with different designs and products without worrying about getting stuck with unsold stock. Plus, you can set your own prices and control your profit margins. And there you have it, folks. 5 passive income ideas that you can start today with just your phone and Wi-Fi. Remember, building passive income streams takes time, effort, and consistency. Don't expect to get rich quick, but with the right mindset and a willingness to put in the work, you can achieve incredible things. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on making money online. And let me know in the comments below which passive income idea you're most excited to try. See you in the next video.